Hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to another video. As you know that in this channel we used to talk about the foreign study programs and what are the experiences people have. So in a foreign study playlist, like we have covered almost like various countries. 18 videos have been uploaded till now, and obviously few more are coming obviously. But one problem which I have seen among students and also like few of my fellow juniors and like in my connections, I have seen many people to struggle with this, that how to search at the beginning when you are just a beginner, when you are searching for the programs, like how to search exactly the programs. So people have a lot of confusions on that, and that's why like I'm here to like, first of all, in Germany, like what you need to do is DAAD international programs you need to search. And in this portal, everyone might be knowing about this portal, I guess, because it's very common, very famous. But how to search? Okay, that is a most important thing which like people should know about. Okay, so for example, I'm just taking an example. Okay, there are various like actually filtering options. Okay, you need to filter out here, but I'm just trying to explain that how would you search. Okay, for example, for the master degree, like PhD is also there, cross faculty, graduate and research school, preschool, language course, there are many other courses. Okay, but I'm focusing on the master's program only. And field of study, okay, let's take engineering first. Okay, in the subject, let's take for example electrical engineering, for example now. Okay, and what is the language? So if you are an Indian, then obviously it is recommended that obviously go for the English course, because if you know German properly, then it's good. But I would not recommend anybody, and also like the experienced people do not recommend anybody that go for the German courses. Like it's little bit tough, like the way like you would be knowing German and the amount, like the quality of German which you would be needed to pass the exams there, it's really far different. So I do not recommend anybody, but it's up to you. If you want, you can take. Many people have many opinions. Based on your condition, you need to decide. I guess that would be the most important thing. Mode of study, you should like obviously fully on site you can. Okay, obviously you have to do, like you would be interested in that one, I guess. And if you are interested in like fully online, then it's up to you. Okay, now city, we do not need to select that one. Type of institution, I don't think it is necessary to put, because university and university applied sciences, both the courses are very important. Both the courses are like you would be completing, then you will get job. So I don't think it is necessary. And in case of institution, like if you are targeting, like for searching purpose, you are targeting any particular institution, then it is good, go for the institutions. There are a lot of institutions. Okay, else there is no need. And tuition fees, okay, now here you can see no fees and up to 500, there are 73. okay, for this, that means if you select this one or this one, both are same. Okay, and 500 to 5000, there is only extra 5 courses, and up to 10,000 there are some more courses. Okay, so I'm going to no fees beginning. Okay, so I'm picking the winter session. Okay, because mostly people try to go to the winter session. Now many courses will come. What you can do is like you can search one by one. Okay, you can search one by one, and like what will happen that like you can search and you can check what are the requirements and what exactly you want to do. There are 7 pages, you can go one by one. But for example, I'm targeting any like mechatronics, for example, which is a very demanding thing. So for mechatronics, you can see 6 courses have been coming up. Okay, so this is the searching. Like after filtering every single part here, I would recommend you to search the keyword here. Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay, so for example, mechatronics. So if you want to like, okay, I'm deleting it. For example, embedded. Okay, so TU Kaiserslautern, Chemnist, I guess. Yeah, so here is another Kaiserslautern. This is a very like demanded course, and also in the Dortmund University. So this is also a good course, so you can check it out. And yes, FAU Erlangen Automation, what is that? MSc in Autonomy Technologies. Okay, this might be new, I guess. I also haven't seen this before. This might be new courses. Okay, so yeah, so these are the courses you can pick. Okay, so in this way for example. Okay, now for example, electrical me, like if you want to search for computer science, okay, so like you can see computer science is also coming. So what is happening by this, when this you are searching by these keywords, like you will obviously see the electrical courses obviously, but also the computer science courses also you can search by the this keyword searching. Okay, embedded computing system, okay, the same thing, that course again it is coming here because it is relevant to the computer science, like embedded and computer science, computer engineering are like morely relatable to each other, that's why they put it together. And you can easily, so you can try it out by your own, you can search it out, and also what are the scores are needed and all, what is the application portal, every single data is here. Okay, now yeah, this is RPTU. Okay, now what is like RPTU is nothing but TU isoslotan. Okay, by the way, what are the checklist and every single data is here, you can apply. Okay, and what is important, like by the way, let me tell you one thing, that the APS is very important, by the way. So for APS I also have created another video, a short video on APS, how to apply, a quick and short, what are the checklist, where the links you need to go, how to apply and what to do next. That is the thing, everything I have step by step process I have mentioned, so you can check it out. It will be there in the description, also in the I button you can get it. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, this is the way you can like standard like sorting also by name, city, institution also you can give. These are website actually have been upgraded by these 2 years. This filtering option was not there previously, so this is the way. Okay, and like based on the university name it would be coming up. Okay, so you can check it out, that is good. Now for example, let's not pick engineering subject, not that, let's search by data science, master degree course, language you have chosen, mode of study also you have chosen, now put data science here. Okay, so you can see lot of data science thing would be coming up by the standard sorting I would prefer now. Okay, and here, okay, now you can see there are a lot of data science courses. Okay, like lot of, you can see now recently data science is getting like more hype actually in Germany. So like you can see lot of like 50 almost it is there, like you can search over there and you would see like relatable data science domain is there, not only in like also in the finance, like master of science quantitative finance, it's related to data science domain. Like, so obviously it's not engineering, but yes, there also data science is needed. But computational mathematics, like it's a very demanded course, University of Passau. So here also like you can apply, what are the requirements and all, like you can go through it. So this is an overview which I am telling, but if you want me to go through like different domain and different universities, if you want me to shortlist, or if you want me like to give those informations also for the particularly those domains, then obviously I will try to make videos on this, and please comment down there if you need it, and I would definitely make videos if you guys like interested in that one also. So I would explain, like if you want me to cover the universities also, I can cover the universities. So based on your requirement I can make the videos. Please let me know in the comment section. Also down the line you can see my Telegram channel, there also you can ping me. So I update like lot of job updates, or like all this channel video updates also are there. There is a group also for that, so if you want me, like if you want to like discuss there also, I can join with you in that discussion in that Telegram group. So ping me if you need any help or any information or whatever you want. I would try to solve it out by shorts or videos, or how like it could be possible. Okay, so this is the thing actually, like this is the portal, and these are the filtering conditions is very needed. But most important thing which I wanted to share is the keyword section. Like for example, machine learning, if you search, like see artificial Darmstadt, TU Darmstadt, so like this is the thing. Psychology also is there. Okay, so there are like various domains where the ML is getting used, like AI engineers for automation systems. Okay, in Goldstad, it's very good course actually, and this is actually TU Darmstadt. Like this course is also very demanding. Okay, so if you want to apply, then like that's the thing. Yeah, So data science is there, like the relatable topics you would be facing. But the best way, like this is like for quick searching you can do, but the best way I feel that, like go to the study and choose like for example mathematics and thing, and then here you choose for mathematics and neural science, computer science, okay, mathematics. Yeah, after that I would say search by one, okay, and like this is the way. It will take some time, but you will have a better understanding. And also you can make a sheet, like what are the courses you are shortlisting, different sheets for different domains. You can make a sheet, Google sheet, and you can like I guess sort them out accordingly. Okay, so this is the way I think you should at least start, by which you can have a better understanding of what exactly the master's courses are offering by the German universities, and which of the courses you want to apply. You can also shortlist, okay, accordingly. So this is the thing, guys. This is the ending part of the video. I am not like going deep dive here more, and I will try to make some more videos on different domains. How would you do it, like on Google Sheet or something like that? How would you like sort them properly so that you could have a clear understanding that when to apply, where to apply. I will try to create a Google Sheet, and I will try to explain you like how you can do it. Okay, so this much for today, guys, and see you in the next video. And this is the playlist like regarding the German masters application. So if you really love the video, then please hit the like button, and also if you are new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button also, and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you through notification. Yeah, so this much for today, and see you in the next video.